This Java code defines a class named contact which represents a contact in an address book. The class has three private instance variables: name, email, and phone number. The constructor for the contact class takes three parameters: name, email, and phone number, which are used to initialize the corresponding instance variables. The getName, getEmail, and getPhoneNumber methods are getter methods for the corresponding instance variables. The setEmail and setPhoneNumber methods are setter methods for the corresponding instance variables. The toString method overrides the default toString method provided by the object class. This method returns a string representation of the contact object. The string includes the name, email, and phone number of the contact, formatted in a readable manner. This Java code defines a class named AddressBook that manages a collection of contact objects. The class has a private instance variable named contacts, which is a map object that stores contact objects with their respective names as keys. The map object is initialized in the constructor of the class using the HashMap implementation. The main method of the class runs an infinite loop that repeatedly prompts the user to choose one of the available options using the standard input scanner. The addContact method of the class adds a new contact to the address book. It prompts the user to enter the name, email, and phone number of the contact, and validates the email and phone number inputs using regular expressions. If the contact already exists in the address book, it prints an error message and does not add the contact. The updateContact method of the class updates the email and/or phone number of an existing contact in the address book. It prompts the user to enter the name of the contact and allows the user to update the email and/or phone number of the contact, while validating the inputs using regular expressions. If the contact does not exist in the address book, it prints an error message. The deleteContact method of the class removes an existing contact from the address book. It prompts the user to enter the name of the contact and removes the contact if it exists in the address book. The searchContact method of the class displays the details of an existing contact in the address book. It prompts the user to enter the name of the contact and displays the contact details if it exists in the address book. The showContacts method of the class displays the details of all contacts in the address book. It prints an error message if there are no contacts in the address book. The class also defines two static methods named isValidEmail and isValidPhoneNumber, which use regular expressions to validate email and phone number inputs, respectively.